Hey guys, my name is Joan and I've been wanting to do a YouTube video for a while now and I thought, why not do it? So let's get started. Okay guys, for this room, the TV position and the wall color were non-negotiables for my sister, so those were staying as is. The bed position is staying as well, but we are upgrading to a king-sized bed. We'll move all the old furniture into another room, and I build a new desk, shelves, photo ledge, and a floating nightstand. I didn't film myself making them because it was my first time woodworking and I wanted to focus and not worry about proper camera angles. In the future, however, I will definitely share videos of me woodworking once I become more comfortable with them. Anywho, back to the room. We will get curtains in here to add some height and a storage ottoman for extra space. Before we get into the video, here are some inspo shots. Now, let's dive into day one. To get this photo ledge onto the wall, I first found the center of the ledge itself. Then I used a stud finder and marked where the wall studs are. After that, I measured 8 inches down from the TV, which is where I want my ledge to be. I then drilled some pilot holes into the stud and the ledge, being sure that the centers were lined up. From there, I secured the ledge onto the wall with a screw. After using a leveling app, I drilled in the last screw and moved on to the next portion of this project. I cleared out this corner off camera and got a head start with its decoration. I made a few mistakes along the way, which I will share now. Okay guys, so there are just a few things that I had to fix from last night. So first of all, this mirror, what I had to go back in and do is put larger pieces of blocks behind it. Like this one right here, I put 4 of them. Yeah, like this. So that can stand off the wall, and when I turn on the light here, it makes a larger impact because before it was not doing that. So yeah, the lights are on now. I'm so excited. It's really a vibe. Ooh, I like this one a lot. We put the shelves up just to see how it would work out. I don't know if you can see this, but this shelf and this bottom one are really slanted. So we need some extra support. I thought about getting new shelves, but that wouldn't work out. Instead of taking down the shelves, I found a great YouTube video on how to fix them. I'm going to try it out and hope it goes well. Fingers crossed! So I just finished the first one. Time to do the rest.
A few hours later.
So the shelves are done now. They feel pretty sturdy. And it's not like slanted in any way, which I'm so happy about. I sort of chipped away a little too much, so I just put one of the dry wall pieces and filled up the space. I think I'll leave it at that because it's a shelf, everything's gonna be on it. So now I'm just going to erase the guidelines that I have, like this one right here, and move on. That's it for day one. For day two, I'll start by setting up the storage ottoman. Well, good evening, guys. I just put up the curtain rods here and I put some sample curtains on it just to see how it looks. Oh my god, when you're putting your curtains up, do not put it right on the frame. Put it above it. It'll just make your room feel so much bigger. So now I'm just gonna continue on to the bedside. Alright, so I'm not sure if you guys have seen the bed yet, but we got this king-size bed some weeks ago, I think, and we've just been using this bed sheet that my mother gave us. So we're gonna start with this area. This light is finally gonna go. Then we'll put up the 2 sconces. We'll put up the pictures that go up here and also the nightstand that goes right under the sconce on this side. So let's get started. Putting up a set of frames that line up perfectly can be difficult. Comment below if you want a video on how I did it. I built this nightstand from scratch by following a blog post which I have linked down below. To mount it onto the wall, I drilled pocket holes into the inner portion of the sides facing the wall. After finding the studs in the wall, I drilled straight into them as you see in this clip. Now all that's left is the room reveal! Okay, before we get to the final review, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like what you've seen so far, just hit the subscribe button. Also, if you have any suggestions or comments for me, just leave it down below. So let's see what this room looked like before.